friends, wishing you a very happy and prosperous new year ahead. May this year be filled with happiness, success, and beautiful relationship. Today we are going to be predicting how 2021 is going to be for the natives of Libra. Librans are civilized, clever, and great planner. They have loyal and truthful relationship with everybody and do not sugarcoat their views or opinions on anything. They are happy-go-lucky people who love being chilled out. So first, let us start with forecast of career and business. Your temper may be a reason for clashes with your colleagues and your boss also. So it is best to keep your temper in check. If you are looking for a job change or a transfer, you will be successful in getting it done, especially between 5th of March to 18th April. Do not change the job before 5th of March. This year will need you to indulge in some social service. Only then will your respect increase in the society. You can start a new business also between 5th of July to 14th of August. This period will be good for profit. For those who have partnership business, you need to be alert and careful, especially between 18th of August to 9th of November. Else, there is a chance of you getting scammed. Make sure all the deals are in paper. Let's talk about finance forecast. You will need to keep a tight control on your expenses, else you will have to face financial restraints. Property and money from parents is expected. You will work hard to make your financial condition better between 8th of March to 17th of April. You will be able to come clean from old loans which will improve your financial status. From 5th of September to 2nd of October, you will see a rise in your property. Now let's talk about family life, love life, relationship forecast. Family is always priority. This year though will mark some tensions between you and your family members, as you may have to be out most of the times. Make sure you balance your work and life equally, especially between 5th of July to 18th of September. Mother's health will be a reason of concern. A treatment from a good doctor is advised. Now let's talk about health forecast. Being healthy is the most important part of our lives. Therefore, this year you need to take special care of yourself, as some kind of illness is expected to disturb you between 8th of September to 19th of November. Take some time off from work and keep yourself calm and absolutely relaxed. Give up on your temper too. Let's talk about education. From education point of view, this year will be good one and you will also be able to impress your teachers with good results. This year will need special efforts from your side for higher education, especially between 8th of July to 13th of September. If you want to excel in the competitive exams, put all your focus and energy into studying. Only then will you get great results and will make a good name in the society. For students who are planning to study abroad, this year will fulfill that dream of yours. Coming to travel forecast. Traveling is almost everybody's favorite. This year will be great in terms of travel, but you need to take care of your health when traveling. Religious trip is on the cards with parents, especially between 8th of January to 12th of April. Later on, a foreign trip is expected too. Be careful while driving or riding any vehicle, else you are expected to make losses. Finally, I would like to propose some remedies by which you could have a wonderful and harmonious year ahead. If you are a Vedic spiritual believer, then praying Lord Shiva will be auspicious for you. Offer food at the orphanage home. Offer milk to Lord Shiva on Monday. Use amethyst crystal as paperweight. Keep yellow shade flower in east direction. Display rising sun picture in east direction. Keep a plant with flowers in east direction and daily water it. Overall, the year seems mixed for Libras and they can expect their dreams to come true. This was a generalized forecast, and hence, if you want a full fledged prediction, contact us for a telephonic or a video conference appointment and know all about how 2021 is going to be for you. Be happy and be careful. Wishing you a happy, prosperous 2021. Namaskar, Jai Hind, take care, bye bye.